Hey, welcome back. It's Sunday.
Sunday.
And it's time for another video. In this video, we are going to share with you some thoughts on why or how you can tell if
you're an RVer.
Yeah, you might be an RVer if. Let's get on with it, Therese.
All right, Jared, let's go.
Well, you might be an RVer if you can drive backwards better than most people can drive forward.
You might be an RVer if a dog bone has nothing to do with a dog.
Well, you might be an RVer if you park all the way out here, even when the trailer's not connected. Well, you might be an RVer if you carry enough extra hose just in case. You might be an RVer if you have a clear hose fitting because you need to know, well, you know.
You might be an RVer if roughing it means electric and water only.
Well, you might be an RVer if you have an app that monitors your water, your electric, and your propane. Well, you might be an RVer if going out for drinks means sitting under the awning with your drink of choice.
You might be an RVer if your travel plans change because your RV doesn't fit.
Well, you might be an RVer if you have a scoring system while your neighbor's backing up. Well, you might be an RVer if you can't buy anything
without weighing it and making sure it fits.
That's right. Well, you might be an RVer if you know your favorite RV YouTube channels, but you can't pick out your mayor in a crowd. And finally, you might be an RVer
if you have a better conversation with strangers at a park than you do your neighbors with your sticks and bricks.
Ain't that a fact?
Jack.
Well, that's going to do it for our video this week. Hopefully now you can clearly identify whether you're an RVer or not. And here's what we need you to do. We know that there's a longer list, so go ahead and drop some of yours down in the comment section below. You might be an RVer if. And we're happy that y'all came along. We appreciate each and every one of you. And hey, Therese.
Hey, Jared.
Guess what we're going to see him again?
Next
Sunday. All right. Hey, have a good one. See you next Sunday, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.
You might be an RVer if you think
If your idea of a well-manicured lawn.
If your idea of a well-manicured lawn is
A clean patio mat.
a clean patio mat.
I do it over.
God.